Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to place your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode so you can easily connect it to any device. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy placing your DualSense controller into pairing mode. So locate the share button in the upper left side of your controller, and then the PlayStation button indicated by the PlayStation symbol in the middle of the controller between the thumbsticks. Now go ahead and press and hold both those buttons down at the same time. And after about 6 seconds, the light bar will begin to flash. So you can see the light bar is flashing blue on both sides. Now bring open the Bluetooth options on your phone, your PlayStation 5, or your PC, and the controller will now display under that window. Now when you go ahead and connect the device, one thing you may notice, if you have it connected to your phone or your computer, it may not turn off automatically. Now to save and preserve battery life, what you'll want to do is locate the PlayStation button once again and hold this down. And continue to hold it down for approximately 10 seconds. And this will manually shut off your controller and it will save battery life. So now my controller is 100% completely turned off and is no longer connected via Bluetooth. But if I have it connected to my phone, I can just press the PlayStation button, my controller will pop on, and I'll be connected once again to my phone or my PC, and I can start using my controller with Steam. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos related to the PlayStation 5 coming up next on YourSixGaming.